Today we're making strawberry flavored popcorn. Today we're going to be making strawberry popcorn. In order to do that, we're going to be using 6 ounces of gold medal mushroom popcorn, 2 ounces of corn oil, half a cup of gold medal strawberry floss sugar. This is what they use to make cotton candy, and we're going to be using it to make our strawberry flavored popcorn today. Let's get our kettle heated up. Shouldn't take too long. We were popping some other batches of popcorn in this today. So we'll turn on our kettle heat. We'll actually turn on our motor, and we're going to add our oil and kernels. Now, if you haven't gotten your kettle up to temperature yet, you're gonna want to turn your heat on and let this heat up for about 3 to 4 minutes. So we'll put in our 2 ounces of oil and our 6 ounces of kernels. Take a quick look in there. See it spinning around. We got our motor going. You can hear it sizzling. We'll close that lid, and we're gonna listen for it. And as soon as we hear it popping just a little bit, that's when we're gonna add half a cup of strawberry floss sugar. Just a reminder, down in the description, there are links to all the products we're using here today. If you don't have a theater style popcorn popper yet, but you're looking to get one, there's gonna be a link down below with a lot of information on the different styles of theater poppers and the sizes and that kind of thing. So check out that description for a link to that. If you make different kinds of popcorn flavors, or you just have an idea for a popcorn flavor, comment down below and let us know, because we would love to try new flavors and see what our viewers are actually making in their popcorn poppers as well. We're popping today in a 6 ounce theater style popcorn popper. A 6 ounce popper means that we're using 6 ounces of kernels, and that's the size of this machine right here. All right, I heard a pop going. Let's get one more, and then we're gonna add our floss sugar. Oh, there we go. So we're gonna lift this up. Take a quick look in there, see it going around, and now we're gonna add in our strawberry floss sugar. See that going around. Close that back up. Now what happens, because this was starting to pop, when we added that floss sugar, it dropped the temperature of the kettle slightly, so popping stops for a little bit, and then it will get going again once it comes back up to temperature. It's starting to pop now. Now we're gonna listen for this. When it starts to slow slightly, we're gonna dump it, and there it has stopped. We're gonna dump this out. And we'll turn off the heat, turn off the motor. Let's take a look at that popcorn. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how good it is. Nice and candy coated on there. Let that cool just a little bit. Let's take a piece and take a look at it. It's still hot. Oh yeah, there, look at that. Look how nice and coated that is. This is gonna harden just a little bit more as it cools as well. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, that has a really nice strawberry flavor. Wow, that's really good. It has this really great strawberry flavor. It's just like a nice candy coating on there. It's not overpowering. It's just a really great strawberry. That's delicious. You can go out and get yourself some of this floss sugar, makes this exact popcorn in your theater style popcorn popper. So remember, get out there and get popping.